The overall goal of this methodology is to capture and analyze emotional responses to beverages and liquefied foods in a sensory evaluation laboratory using automated facial analysis software.
This method can help answer key questions in the sensory science field, such as how to measure a participant's emotional response to beverages and soft foods. The main advantage of this protocol is that it shows a standardized data capture methodology using automated facial expression analysis software. It also describes a method for analyzing automated facial expression output.
The implications of this technique extend towards standardizing methodology of automated facial expression analysis, as it often varies between laboratories. Although this method can provide insight to an individual's implicit emotional response, it can also be applied to other systems such as packaging, marketing, and labels.
Lester will serve as a representative participant.
In preparation for the experiment, create sample solutions by pouring half-ounce aliquots of each original solution into 2-ounce transparent plastic sample cups, and then cap with color-coded lids. Next, escort the participant to the sensory booth and have them sit straight up against the back of the chair. Instruct the participant about the experimental process and standard operating procedures. Adjust the position of the chair and the camera angle so that the participant's face is captured in the center of the video recording with no shadows on the chin or around the eyes. Instruct the participant to focus on the monitor display, follow the directions